Good morning! Today is Animal Kingdom Day. Thank you. Hermie is ready for the day. We made it super early, so we just have to wait until the park opens, but we do get to just stand in here and enjoy the vibes. That's nice. Oh my god, early? Hey guys. So many. Oh my god, this stampede is chaotic. Everybody's running. It's so pretty here. We made it to fly. Alright, first ride of the day is a flight of passage. We are in the standby line currently, and then we have a Navi River Genie Pass reservation at 8:45, so starting off pretty good. Ooh, I don't love that.
Hi, soon you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, riding on the back of a banshee by being genetically matched and linked to an avatar.
Oh my god, the flight of passage is so cool. Oh, such a cool ride. I'm glad we did it. Now we are walking over to our Genie Pass time for the Navi River ride. And then after that, I think we're going to try to get the safari. It'll be fun. The flight of passage ride is so intricate and cool. And it's just, I'm glad we rope dropped it. So now we have it done. We are now headed to Africa to the bathroom, grab some coffee, and then we also have a safari Genie Pass at 10, which is in like 20 minutes, so we're having a good day so far. I need a little snack, so I'm just gonna get this roasted nut mix.
Adventure is new arrival. Respectful, so make sure we're not calling out to the animals. That includes any kissing noises, whistling, and it's like a natural sunscreen. As do a lot of animals, because they often look a little confused. Now there are of course those Maasai giraffe, the tallest allowed to fight or flight. They're always going to fight. And then there's the ankle lady. The giraffe's doing what it does best, which is eat. So they're going to spend the majority of their time eating. A group of zebras every day, but they're not going to do that all at once. They'll take about just stand like statues and stare off into the space when they're awake. And of course on that left hand side there's the mandrills. The large females do have a red and blue on their face, that's how you can tell them apart from the females. Any danger in the area, we should see a better view of that.
The safari was so fun. I love animals. And now we have a Genie Pass to go to the Festival of the Lion King, which I'm excited for too. So that's our next stop.
One and all to the festival of the Lion King. And now
Timo's here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Look at me. I'm in a parade.
ah, there it is. The noise, Passenger. Let me hear you. Trumpet.
Quiet! Thank you. Maestro, if you please. Matata! Ain't no passing craze!
So we just chilled for a little bit and now we are heading towards the gorilla trail. We're heading towards the gorilla trail to go visit some gorillas. Gorilla Falls. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. That bridge moves. That bridge moves. Alright, we're grabbing lunch at this Yak and Yeti Cafe. This is from the Yak and Yeti. We have the fried rice, the Korean barbecue sandwich, some fries, and the egg rolls. I got a Coke for the caffeine. We're about to go on Cali River Rapids. It's a serve. Queen of ponchos. Even though I had a poncho, I still got wet. Might have to change my socks. That was fun and it felt good. Bucket hat got wet, so we switched to ears and we are going down a trek to see some tigers. It's freaking bats. I love Halloween. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Okay. So the tigers were inside because it's so hot, and honestly, I agree. So now we're heading to Expedition Everest for our genie pastime. Alright, I just did Everest, and my friends went to do it twice. I'm getting a headache because it's so hot and I need water, so I'm not gonna do it twice, and it's so sweaty. But we are going to get ice cream and some drinks and then try to get a fast pass for a dinosaur. So that's what's next. Everest is such a fun ride. A little too much sometimes. I'm getting old.
Big blue world, I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world.
Look how cute he is. Cutie. This is low-key cute too. I'm not gonna get it because I got Kermit, but like, okay, the Yeti's giving. What's going on? Donald's in a little costume. He's so cute.
Dr. Marsh, director of the Dino Institute, and I hope you enjoyed those quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over.
This is so pretty. I got the 50th. It's double chocolate chip cookie with ice cream. Alright, so I had my ice cream sandwich. It was melting, so I destroyed it. So I didn't get to try it with you, but it was good. It was a double chocolate chip cookie and ice cream. Delicious. It's tough to be a bug. I ain't got nothing for you.
Oh my God. You're
So close to me.
now.
So close to me.
You're freaking me out.
Let's go away. Stop. Why are you on the chair?
Back up, back up.
Alright, so to end today, we're going to do some shopping and then get a few pics at the Tree of Life, and then we're going to hit the road. I don't like this shirt. I found the shirt I want in the size I want. There she is, the Tree of Life. And that ends our video for today. We're going to go home, and tomorrow we have Magic Kingdom. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. And yeah, stay tuned for Magic Kingdom.
Sugar crash.